Hey, welcome back. So we're working on a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. It's a Prox push start. We're going to be using the SmartPro and the star connector cable plugged in there. You want to take out the glove box, the little tabs, and plug that in. And let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go program. It's off. Hazards on, and we want to program Prox keys. We want to take all program keys out of the vehicle, so I'm just going to put it on the ground behind me, or I can use a Faraday bag. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna press and hold the Prox in this corner, up in the top corner of the, and yeah, cool. Okay, let's hit OK. And done. Cool. And let's check. Cool. And just like that. And we grab the key outside the vehicle, the original one. Cool. And we just got to cut it and we're done. Other than that, have a great day. See you next time. Bye. So we want to line up these tabs here to put it back. And there's gonna be this tab here that kind of coincides with this tab up here, and we're just gonna press back and that locks in place and up like that. Very easy compared to like the Challenger and the Charger glove box. Cool.